Yeah, life is tough. I guarantee you, there is nobody who goes into trading, goes into the market with an easy past. Everyone that I know are either homeless, bankrupt at some point, you know? And yeah, and trading, sometimes it can feel like it's the only thing that will save us or save you from your situation. How many of you feel like this every day? You come from work, you're tired, it's hot, you're sweating. You open your door, you close it, you go straight to your bed, you sit down, and all you can think about is your failures. What am I doing with my life? Why can't anything I do be enough? What am I doing? At that point, you don't feel angry, you don't feel sad, you feel stuck. You work, but you're not getting anywhere. You try, but nothing seems to move. The days pass, the weeks pass, but you're still in the same position you were a year ago, a few months ago. That feeling, most people try to escape it. Most people want to numb it. They distract themselves from that feeling. They pretend that it's not there. But you know what separates them from you? You don't do that. You sit down. You plan it out. You tell yourself, I am not going to give up until I figure this out. A lot of traders didn't come from anything special. They were not born into money. They were not chosen if they were not ahead in life. Some of them worked jobs they hated, if not most. Some of them were homeless at some point. Some worked as babysitters. Some were in Dunkin' Donuts. Most of them felt invisible. They weren't important. They weren't impressive. They were just tired of being stuck, tired of feeling the same way over and over again. Now, I'm going to tell you this to your face. Trading didn't save them, but it gave them something most people never find. A place where responsibility is unavoidable. In trading, excuses don't work. Pain shows up immediately and mistakes cost you. And slowly that same pain you felt in the beginning, when you were sitting on your bed, comes back over and over again to haunt you. But eventually I'll tell you what will happen to you. That same feeling, it will turn into awareness. It will turn into discipline. It will turn into patience. Not because you want to, but because you're forced to by your situation, by your circumstances. The frustration teaches you restraint. The losses teach you honesty. The isolation teaches you self-control. And the people who grow in this space aren't the most talented people. Most of them didn't even graduate high school. They are the ones who didn't run from the pain. They didn't let where they started define them. They didn't let being nobody stop them. They turned pressure into structure. They turned disappointment into precision. They turned pain into progress. And not because trading is easy, but because it forces you to grow or quit. So if you're sitting there right now feeling stuck, feeling behind, feeling like nothing you do matters, the feeling doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're at a crossroads. You can keep avoiding it all you want, or you can let it sharpen you. Because the same pain that keeps most people stuck is the same pain that builds the few who move forward.